Alana, it's time for school to start. And you're going into what grade?
Sixth grade.
Sixth grade. And what's on your teeth today?
I have braces.
Oh, she's got a brace. Okay, and you went shopping for
Yes,
school?
And I bought this new outfit.
Pretty. So
I went
pretty.
to the Old Navy today to get jeans.
The skinny jeans everyone's wearing. And you went, who took you shopping before? Was
Grandma, she got me a lot of clothes. She got me a lot of cheetah tights and jeans that are tights, not skinny jeans.
like leggings.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but they're jeans.
Alana got Jaguar.
She did Jaguar. I saw that.
Cheetah.
He got Cheetah.
Cheetah.
And then, this is my favorite night in school.
Your favorite? You're going to go to school?
Yeah. I want to see Isaiah and Booty Booty.
But when you go to school, is that how you're going to act?
Yeah.
What do you think the teacher will say? You know I'm recording this and we're going to see this on YouTube. Jossie, did you get new clothes? Uh-oh.
Yes, right here.
Got a soccer shirt. It's so cute. And you got new shoes?
Yeah.
And they're Minnie Mouse, aren't they? I took a picture of them. Minnie Mouse and Alana got Converse.
And look, they light up.
They light up. Yeah.
This is on video.
Okay, I'm going to stop this video. Say bye.